Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey. Welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Okay, I haven't filmed in a while. I'm gonna sit back and totally admit I haven't filmed in a while, so I'm like 3 minutes in and I've done this intro like 5 times, I think. I don't know. But this week it is, as you see on the sign behind me, it's time to change my bag. It is Saturday morning. I am going out with the family. So what better thing to do but switch my bag out and let you guys see, because the bag that I'm switching into is the Kate Spade Washington Sam bag. So if you guys want to see what goes in this bag from the bag I'm currently carrying and tell you guys how I really feel about this bag, stay tuned. Okay, well, as you guys saw in my Amazon finds video, I picked up this beauty, which is the Kate Spade Washington Sam bag. This was the 25th anniversary of the Sam bag, which is a very iconic shape for Kate Spade. I seriously remember this shape of Kate Spade bags, and I actually hated them. I will tell you the truth. I hated it. I hated that shape. It made me think of soccer moms. And I never bought a Kate Spade. Then as years went on, as I matured, my taste in handbags matured, I started to really look at Kate Spade and see that she had some really, really, really nice bags. So I said, let me, dive in. And as you all know, I have three Kate Spade bags. Yeah, I have 3 of them right now. I'll put some pictures up of the 3 that I have. And you guys saw one of them in the Denver haul last year, actually. I got the last one last year. I got one during anniversary a couple of years ago, and I got another one. It was a gift from Reginald. So with the and that's right, I had a matching wallet with that one too. I like to give matching wallets if I can. So I ended up just falling in love with Kate Spade, and I love her. I love the styles of bags that she has now. But during the week, what have I been carrying during the week? I have been carrying my Marc Jacobs Soft Shot 27 bag with the shimmering guitar strap. You guys saw this video. Excuse me. You guys saw this video a few weeks back. I'll have that linked above also, so you guys can see how I like this bag, and I modeled this bag. And yes, it is filled. It is filled. But I don't have that much stuff in it, which I find that to be very funny. I actually had to scale down the amount of things because I scaled down in bag. I don't know. One day I'm going to learn how to fully scale down in bag. I just got to figure my life out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the camera in close. I'm going to put it down inside the Kate Spade so you guys can see what all I put in it. But first, before I do that, I'm going to show you guys what is in the bag right now. This is, I picked up a bag organizer from Amazon, of course. Actually, I could not carry this bag until I got this organizer, because as you guys can see, this bag is it's not structured. It's not a structured bag whatsoever. So your best bet is to get a bag organizer. Plus, your stuff doesn't fall into a deep dark hole. So, what I did was I picked it up in a color dark blue to kind of go with the blue strap and the blue stripe down the side, the front and back of the bag. I want to do a contrasting color to kind of just, I wanted to bring out the blue. I thought I was originally going to get pink, but the pink one that I bought ended up going into another bag that you guys are going to see later on. Actually, you guys seen the bag. It was the Tory Burch tote bag that I bought, and I got in the same video. I bought a pink organizer to go in that one. I mean, it ended up going in that one, which worked perfectly. So let's stop rambling. Let's switch these bags. Okay, well, now here we are. This is the top of the bag, and you can see some of the mess around me, but that's okay. No big deal. This is here we go. This is my bag organizer. I got a few papers from last time I carried it last weekend. We're going to take those out, and here we go. We're going to put these straps back as best we can. First thing we're going to put in is my eyeglass case, which is right here. Of course, I'm wearing my Kate Spade aviators. You guys saw these in my sunglass collection video. I'm going to put these in right about, let's see. I like to see where the front of my bag is. I'm going to put these right here into this little pouch here. Reason why I put it in that pouch, one is to keep that pouch big, plus, I mean, keep it expanded, and then plus, just to basically, to make it quick and easy for me to grab. Actually, I'm going to put them in the middle. That's what I'm going to do. Next thing I'm going to grab actually was not in my purse. This is my newest, this is my card wallet, and yes, it matches my nails. This should be the thumbnail. This, I think, should be my thumbnail because this matches my nails. This is my Tory Burch card wallet, which has all my cards in. You can't see numbers. You're not going to see them. I'm going to put that in right here. That's to help hold it up. Now we're going to go ahead and get stuff out the purse. First thing I'm going to pull is my makeup bag. We're going to sit that in right there. Next thing in the purse, ooh, I'm not going to use those. Next thing in the purse is a set of keys. This is the keys to my mom's house. I'm just going to throw them in over there. Pack of tissue. And headphones. You guys have seen this. This is my my 2 sets of corded headphones, old style and new style model for my MacBook Air and for my iPhone. So I'm just going to throw them in right. Actually, I'm going to throw these in this pouch. I'm going to put that there. Next thing we're going to pull is the Genie wallet. You guys remember this. I got this in Denver. I'm actually going to put that in. There's a pouch right here in the back. And put it in that pouch right there. So I put all the money towards my body, not towards the out. Because if anybody wants to try to get, you got to get to my body to get to that. You're not going to get it. Anyway, next thing we're going to pull is my Coach SLG. This is another card wallet that I carry. This is like miscellaneous cards and stuff. I carry that in there. We're going to put that in this pouch right here. Put that right there in that pouch. Next is the last SLG. This is going to be my other Coach SLG, which has my bus pass and a couple of other things in it. We're going to put that in the slot right here. Slide that in. Got to have my bus pass. I always have my bus pass on me just in case, because, things happen. And you could probably see I'm wearing pajama pants. It is Saturday morning, like I said. It is early. Next thing, another pack of tissue. I have runny nose sometimes. I'm actually going to sit this right here with the other pack of tissue. Sometimes I need some tissue. Liliana might need some tissue. Lisa might need some tissue. Mama might need some tissue. Stuff like that. So make sure I have tissue for everybody. Ooh. And the next thing I'm going to grab is my bottle of lotion. Got to have smooth, soft hands. I mean, got to make sure the hands look good. I'm going to slide this in the same pouch with the headphones. Actually, something fell. The next thing I'm going to put in is my antibacterial, need that before you eat. So I'm going to put that in the same pouch with the headphones. Also, like I said, I like to keep actually, I'm going to put those in here. I'm going to put them in the middle there with the sunglasses. Also, it keeps the shape of the little center compartment there. And the last thing is, actually, there's nothing in there. No, there's one piece of tissue left in here. We're going to put that in too. Go ahead and throw that in there. That is all. And this bag, if you can see, is empty. Well, there's a little something in there, but we're not going to talk about that. This bag is fully empty. So now let's change the camera angle and let's talk about how we like this bag. Okay, that is everything that goes in that bag on the weekends, because I only carry this bag on the weekends. I carry smaller bags throughout the week with work because I do carry a backpack or my large red hunter tote if it's raining. How do I feel about this bag? And actually, the bag is not heavy. Not really heavy at all. It looks heavy, but it's not heavy. How do I feel about this bag? I absolutely love this bag. I think it was a great addition to my bag collection. I love the casual look of it because weekends are very casual. All we, run around, run errands, go hang out, things like that. Also, I can also with everything in here, I can fit my iPad in here. Sometimes I would put I have put my MacBook Air in there, but it is a little, it makes it a little too snug, so my iPad will go in, or I'll just carry my backpack. But I do actually really love this bag. I think this is a great bag. I love but I will say the only downside is there's no a zipper. There are these little tags that you're supposed to tie, and I don't tie them. That is why, like, my money and all my wallets sit close either to my body or close to where I can see them. So there's really no issues, so you can't see it. The only thing I didn't put in the bag are my house keys. That's the only thing. And right now I am in the process. I am trying to debate on getting a new key ring. Either I'm going to buy a key case or a new key ring. I think I want to do a key case. I want to do something different, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But like I said, I do love this bag. I love Amazon. Amazon, you can find some hidden gems, like I said in the Amazon video. What was it, about a month ago, 2 months ago, I did the video. And to luck up on this bag. And the funny thing is, actually, I'm going to show you guys something absolutely funny that's Target. I'm going to show you something absolutely funny because if you all are on my Pinterest, well, you might not be on my Pinterest, but on my Pinterest, I actually had this bag pinned on my Pinterest. It was in a different colorway, but this bag I actually found when it launched. It was like early this year, I believe. This bag launched in a different colorway. I found it and I was like, "Oh, I really want that bag." But by the time I circled back around to get the bag, it was gone. So I just happened to, I'm on Amazon and I just kind of searched things out. And when I found it, there it was. So I was able to find this bag. And like I said, I love it. This is my weekend bag. I love carrying totes on the weekends because it's a lot easier. So that is it for this video. Well, actually, it's not it for this video. There is a couple of things I want to say. Well, actually, there's one huge thing I want to say. Past couple of weeks, we hit 1,000 subscribers. So I have to thank all of you guys for that. All of you all that have been with me from day one, my A1 day ones, all the way to my new people. I love you all. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting on the videos below in the video. And it's pretty crazy that I hit 1,000 and this was the year. And I said it earlier this year that I wanted this to be the year that I hit 1,000, and I did it. And I thank you all. Just thank you for the support, and don't worry, there will be more videos coming. I know last week I took a week off because there was a scheduling difficulty. I was supposed to have a different video out last week, but there was a scheduling difficulty with someone. But that video will be coming soon. You guys are gonna love it because you all love those. Y'all will love it. That's all I'm gonna say. But that's it. I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you all again for subscribing, for watching. And if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to videos like this. And I'm out of here. Let's see. I have to write a paper again. I have some overtime to work. I have another video to shoot, and I'm supposed to go hang out with family, so I got things to do, and my ear is a little bit of hurting, and I need to clean my piercing. You guys probably saw that on Instagram. I got a new piercing. It slightly hurts because I'm nuts. I just do things like that. I'm going to get out of here. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.